Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Suds Safari. Today I am in Moree. It's quite out in the middle of nowhere, although I'm sure if you're from Moree you might disagree with that, but it's very, very rural. It's not quite outback New South Wales, but it's getting there. It's getting close to there. I've still got the Subaru Outback from Subaru, which we are filming with on the job I'm doing at the moment. And it is filthy, like proper filthy, because we have driven quite a long way to get up here. So I'm gonna go wash it. I have found out that there is actually a car wash, a self-service car wash in Moree, which is very exciting because that is where I am off to now. I actually haven't really done much research on it. I've just finished work and drove past it and was like, ah. So I'm literally just going there right now because I've wrapped for the day. I've actually even forgot what this place is called. The Moree Car Spa. So, in we go. funny how you can sometimes come to a somewhat isolated rural town and find an absolute diamond. I especially liked the high pressure soap. It completely foamed the whole car, whereas the car washes in Sydney, well, quite a few of them, it doesn't foam the whole car. It does the high pressure rinse, but with a little bit of soap in it, which is all runny. I've not only enjoyed washing my car here, but I realised that it provides exactly what you need to wash your car, and lots of all the other car washes that I've used are nowhere near the calibre of this car wash. Which is saying something, because I feel like this is quite in the middle of nowhere. Some rural town in New South Wales, and it's got one of the best car washes I've used. Go Marie. Sorry, you can probably tell I'm just driving in U-turns at the moment to finish this piece to camera. I'm giving the Marie car spa a 9 out of 10. Almost want to give it a 9.5. I'm giving the Marie car spa a 9.5 out of 10. It was a fantastic experience. I feel like I've discovered a hidden gem, especially coming from car washes such as in Sydney, and you realise that, here is what a car wash is supposed to be like.